Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the watch and unlocking your iPhone. This creates a secure pairing window. Once done, open the watch app and choose Start Pairing, then hold the watch face inside the iPhone's viewfinder until it recognizes the animation. Make sure to grant Bluetooth and Wi-Fi access so the devices can communicate. Sign in with your Apple ID when requested. This linkage lets health data, notifications, and apps sync, so do these steps first to enable everything that follows. You now configure the watch for your daily use. Pick wrist and hand dominance, create a passcode, and turn on wrist detection so payments and metrics lock automatically. Then customize faces and complications to surface your most used data. Drag apps in the watch app to set layout. Install critical apps from the iPhone and enable background app refresh only for those you need, which saves battery. These choices optimize convenience and battery life, while ensuring the watch collects the right health and notification data. You're in the final stretch. Open activity and health to confirm step counts and heart data sync. Walk and recalibrate if readings seem off. Enable emergency SOS and fall detection, and enter your medical ID so first responders have critical info. Once satisfied, update watchOS to the latest version to get performance and security fixes. If pairing or syncing fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and retry pairing. As a last resort, reset network settings or unpair, and repair the watch to resolve stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.